Be honest. How many times have you delayed starting something because you wanted it to be perfect? The perfect time, the perfect body, the perfect plan. And because it wasn't perfect, you didn't start it at all, right? And if that's you, this video is for you. Hello, love. Welcome back to my channel. I am Tanya, and today I'm gonna make it crystal clear why consistency beats perfection every single time, and how you need to move your lazy ass up and get the things done. I used to think that perfection was discipline, and if you're not doing something perfectly, it's not even worth trying, it's not even worth doing it. I was so scared if I did not execute the things perfectly, how people gonna perceive me, what they gonna think about me. And for many years, I just keep postponing things, and I never really started the things that I really wanted to do, that I really loved, that was my calling at that time. And one day I realized that at my rock bottom, when things were going really bad, when things were going like this, the people I was so worrying about, what they're gonna think about me, are nowhere to find. I can't even see their shadows. It hits me really hard that being perfectionist never gonna build any result. It built me nothing. And how society is playing mind game with us to be a perfectionist and to engrave this in our mind that you have to be perfect in every task or you are good for nothing. Honey, you need to understand that it's an agenda to keep us people stuck, broke and miserable, so that we keep living mediocre life. We keep following their commands. The truth is there is no such thing as perfection. It's just the repetitive task. It's just the repetitive efforts you do every day, which gets better and better with time. And honey, please tell me why we are always doing this, that I'll start from Monday, I'll start from New Year, oh, I'll start after my exams are over, I'll start once I get free. And it's never, I'll start from today, even if it's messy. I'll show up for myself because something is better than nothing. You need to understand that consistency is what built results. Perfection is an excuse in disguise. Let's be real. Most of the time, perfectionism is just fear dressed up as high standards. We say, I need better equipment, I need more time, I need more knowledge, I need to feel ready. But honey, be honest. When are we gonna feel ready? Never. The truth is that we are just scared to start imperfectly. And perfectionism give us socially acceptable reason to avoid action. Let's take an example of perfect. I see all the time as a fitness coach. People wait for perfect diet plan. They wait for perfect gym. They wait for perfect routine they can follow. But honey, your body doesn't give a shit about perfect. It responds to repeated efforts. Three basic workout every week for 6 months gonna change you more than the perfect workout that you never gonna repeat. Consistency builds identity. Here's something powerful. If you show up consistently, even imperfectly, you are building an identity. You're no longer someone who is trying to work out. You are someone who works out. And trust me, it starts showing up. And people can tell that you are putting efforts in your physique. You're putting efforts in your mental health. If you promise to yourself that you are going to lose weight, you cannot be someone who keeps ordering takeout every other day. You have to start eating healthy. You have to stick to healthy meals. You have to stick to homemade food. And that's where the results gonna kick in. That identity shift, that's where real transformation happens. The reason why perfectionists fail, because perfection sets a standard so high that you burn out before even trying, before even doing anything. While being consistent will set a realistic standard that you can sustain, actually sustain daily, repeat daily. Perfection is like a motivation outburst, which is intense for 3 days or even less. While motivation, it's gonna last for 300 days. If you have been delaying something, then this is your sign. Just start. Start messy, start nervous, start average. But do something. Your first video won't be perfect. Your first workout won't be perfect. Your first attempt won't be perfect. But your 99th attempt, it's gonna be so powerful because you didn't quit. If this hit you, I want you to comment one thing that you have been postponing because you want it to be perfect. And after this video, I need you to take one small step towards it. Not perfect, just consistent. I'm building this with you. So let's grow together. Thank you so much for watching the video. So see you in the next video. Till then, love yourself and keep showing up. I'm so proud of you.